can't I ever dream about food? What? Yeah. Hey, I found this recipe. Oh, buy the ingredients. Let's make it if you're free.
Ah. That's...
PuppyCat!
Who wants to make a million babies with me? Who wants to make a million babies with me? Who wants to make a million babies with me?
There you are. Oh, cool. Asakeda. They are so cute. Go get your helmet. Let's go to the grocery store. You look so cute in it. This is a perfect time to come to the grocery store because it's empty. Hey, where are you fish cakes? Oh man, I haven't had these in... What's all this stuff? Where did you find a leather jacket? Well, I don't know how you're gonna buy all that stuff if you left your money at home. Why don't you go put that back? We are getting close to my cash limit. Oh no, $56.
That'll be 55 even.
Yeah, hell! Get a gum! Hello.
Hey, hi.
I got all the stuff we need to make this recipe I found in a magazine.
Who's this, B?
PuppyCat!
Wow. It makes funny noises for a... wait, is it a cat? Or a dog?
Well, he looks like a cat, I guess. But like, smell.
Whoa, dog smell.
Yeah.
Very cute. PuppyCat, can you pass me those... well, that's not what we wanted, but that's okay. We can work with this.
I like your salt shakers.
That's okay. We can work with this.
Deckard. Deckard!
That's okay. We can work with this.
Are you guys still wearing your pajamas? It's almost noon.
Oh, hi, Cass.
You're home early?
I finished my coding early. What are you guys trying to do?
We're trying to make this recipe I found.
Deckard, why aren't you at work?
I called in sick.
And I have one.
Go ahead.
Awesome!
If you wanted to fool around in the kitchen, you could have just gone to work. You're a prep cook.
I wanted to try a new recipe. I make the same thing at the restaurant every day.
Have you heard back from that culinary school yet?
Oh, you're going to culinary school?
I applied to one, but it's off the island, and I can't even cook a simple recipe.
We can still finish it?
Nah, I didn't want to say anything, but we're missing an ingredient.
I have to go to the bathroom crazy bad!
She takes her cat to the bathroom?
It smells like a dog.
You smell like a dog.
You look like a dog.
I used the last of my money on gum. Now we can't go back to the store to buy the missing ingredient because of this stupid gum! Oh, PuppyCat, please help me. if you can get us a quick temp job, I will let you keep all the money left over after we get that ingredient. And I'll get a leather jacket for you.
Come on, bark like a dog.
Stop!
Woof, woof, woof.